Hello everyone, I am Rajakumar, Assistant Professor, Department of Mechanical Engineering, Rohini College of Engineering and Technology, Kanyakumari District. In this video, I am going to explain integration of CAD and CAM. CAD CAM means Computer Aided Design and Computer Aided Manufacturing. It is the technology concerned with the use of digital computers to perform certain function in design and manufacturing. CAD can be defined as the use of computer systems to create, modify, analysis or automation and engineering design. The figure shows the computer system having CAD hardware and CAD software. CAD hardware mean the mouse printer, platters. Okay, these are the display devices. These are the hardware devices. Software means C, C++, Java. These are the software devices. Then CAM can be defined as the use of computer system to plan, manage and control the operation of manufacturing plant through either direct or indirect computer interface with the plant production resources. Here application commonly the CAM involves the use of computer to assist in all the phases of manufacturing a product, including process and production planning, machining, scheduling, management and quality control. So commonly the applications of CAM means manufacturing planning and manufacturing control. Here we have to classify the manufacturing monitor. It includes the manufacturing monitor and control and manufacturing support applications. Commonly the manufacturing planning applications of the CAM are those in which computers are used indirectly to support the production functions, but there is no direct connection between the computer and process. The computer is used offline to provide information for the effective planning and management of production activities. The important manufacturing planning application include the CAPP, that means the computer aided process planning, then computer assistant NC part programming, computerized machinability data system, development of work standard, cost estimating, production and inventory planning, computer aided line balancing. These are including in manufacturing planning. And manufacturing control manufacturing control means application of CAM or concerned with the developing the computer systems for implementing the manufacturing control function. The manufacturing control is concerned with the managing and controlling the physical operation in the factory. Some of the manufacturing control applications means process monitoring and control, shop floor control, just in time production, quality control, inventory control. Inventory means nothing but stock level control. Just in time is nothing but the correct time the delivered to customer. So here the computer monitoring, the CAM is commonly you have to divide it into two applications: the computer monitoring and control and manufacturing support function. Manufacturing monitoring, that means computer monitoring and control. These are direct applications in which the computer is connected directly to the manufacturing process for the purpose of monitoring or controlling the process. Computer monitoring and control can be separated into monitoring application and control applications. Computer process monitoring. It involves a direct computer interface with the manufacturing process to observe the process and associated equipment and collect data from the process. Manufacturing, that is, if the figure show, the first figure shows the computer. Here the process is feed or enter into the process or it enter into the computer. Then that means the computer is interface with the manufacturing process. Okay. Then second one, the computer process control. It goes one step further than monitoring, but not only observing the processing but also controlling is based on the solutions. This is figures. Second figure shows the control signals. This is a computer process control and manufacturing support applications. These are indirectly application in which the computer is used in support of the production operation in the plant, but there is no direct interface between the computer and the manufacturing process. Here computer serves a support role in the manufacturing operation, and it is used offline to provide plant schedule, forecast, instruction and information by which the firm's production resource can be managed more effectively. So you can see this figure. The computer is the communication transfer the manufacturing operations. Okay, processing data, control signals, the transporting with the computer. So all the manufacturing activities is are transferring to the computers. Okay, based on computer we have to do the manufacturing activities. Then the product cycle and CAD CAM. Various activities plus function equal to product cycle. So product cycle is nothing but the industries, all the activities are based on the customer needs. So product cycle is nothing but development of the product. Okay, the product concept. Here the figure shows the product concept, then move to design engineering, drafting, process planning. Based on process planning, the production schedule is nothing but we have to planning when this product will be completed. We have to schedule the product for manufacturing each and every product. When will we complete this product? We have to schedule all the product, then move to production, then quality control, control the product, check the as per the standards, then customers and market. This is the product cycle. This cycle is connected to the CAD CAM. Then product cycle and CAD CAM is connections is a computer aided design and computer aided drafting and document and computer aided process planning and MRP, design engineering, product design, drafting. So all the design and manufacturing, all the activities are interconnected with the directly connected with the product cycles. Then computer technology. The central and essential ingredient of CAD CAM is the digital computer. The modern digital computer is an electronic machine that can perform mathematical and logical calculation and data processing function in accordance with the predefined program of instructions. There are three basic hardware: central processing unit, memory, input, output section. The figure shows the CPU. This is a computer technology. CPU, so control unit, so input output device, and memory. This is the computer technology, basic hardware structure of a digital computer. Fundamental of CAD. The modern CAD system are based on interactive computer graphics. Interactive computer graphics is a system in which computer is used to create, transform and display data in the form of pictures or symbol. The interactive computer graphics system and the human design are the major component of a CAD system. Interactive computer graphics is a tool used by the designer to solve a design problem. In effect, the ACG system magnify the power of the designer. This has been referred to as the synchronized effect. The designer performs the portion of the design process that is most suitable to human intellectual skills. That means conceptualization, independent thinking, whereas the computer performs the task best suited to its capable speed of calculation, visual display, storage of data, and the resulting system exceed the sum of its components. Fundamental reasons for implementing a CAD system: to increase the productivity of the designer, to improve the quality of design, to improve communication, to create a database for manufacturing. Thank you.